and the attention and freedom fighter who suffered to give us a republic nation. Happy Republic Day. Be ready for Surah.
الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي قد ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب صدق الله العظيم. Thank you.
Be ready for pledge.
Respect. Respect. And treat everyone with courtesy. Treat everyone with grace. And everyone. To my country. My country. People. I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my
I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, India will be healthy alone and prosperity alone. That's my happiness.
Reciting Surah from the Holy Quran by Fasi. We pay homage to our motherland. So today the pledge was guided to you by Hamdan. Now to continue our assembly by let's call Yahya Ahmed for thought for the day.
A happy Republic Day. Today's thought for the day is don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. I repeat, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Thank you.
Let's call Yahya Khan for Hindi thought for the day.
सुप्रभात. आज का विचार अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए तो हमारा भारत महान है. मैं फिर से दोहरा रहा हूँ, अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए तो हमारा भारत महान है. धन्यवाद. हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे.
for English speech.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. My name is Ayan Anshad. I study in class 2nd Q. I feel extremely privileged to address you all on the auspicious occasion of the 72nd Republic Day of our mother country. Republic Day is celebrated in India on 26th January every year. 26th January 1950 was the historic day when the Constitution of India came into effect. India turned into a secular and democratic nation on this day. Republic Day is celebrated as a national festival with extraordinary grandeur and show. The principal festivities happen at the Rajpath, New Delhi, in the presence of the President of India. Large parades showcasing the powers of Indian defense and artists exhibiting traditional dance forms constitute the grand celebrations. People from across the country pay tribute to the freedom fighters. This day is all about enthusiasm, respect, understanding the sacrifices, and hugely celebrating our freedom. We, the people, are the prime movers of the Republic. With us, the people of India rests the real power to decide the future. I conclude by conveying warm Republic Day greetings to all of you. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today we are celebrating 71st Republic Day. On this occasion, I convey my heartfelt greetings to you all. Happy Republic Day! We all know that we got independence on August 15, 1947. But we became a republic country when our constitution came into existence from January 26, 1950. Our constitution was prepared by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Republic Day is celebrated with great joy throughout India, just like other festivals. On this day, the ceremony of flag hoisting is done and national anthem is sung by everyone. On this day, I would also like to pay gratitude to all the great freedom fighters and soldiers who gave up their life for our nation. Let's pledge not to take our freedom for granted and join hands together for making India a better place. Jai Hind.
Be ready to enjoy an Republic Day song.
सारे जहां से अच्छा दोस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा दोस्ता हमारा हम बुलबुले इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा दोस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
Be ready for Saudi National Anthem by Ibrahim.
To say Saudi national anthem. ساري للمجد والعليا مجد اللي خالق السماء والرفاع الخفاق أهدر يا من نور المصدر الذي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني ها استغفار المسلم عاش الملك للعالم والوطن. Shukran and happy Republic Day.
Be ready for Indian National Anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे